Wait, may I remind the gentleman that you are, please address the chairman, please.
Again, may araw ka rin.
Wait, kasi ako
order.
I
what
still have the floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain.
if that is what you want, sige.
Mr. Chairman, what cause manifestation yon? Now I'm trying to tell to change it to a motion. Hindi po ako nag-rule, Congressman Paduano. Wait for a while. What I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules of this Congress, and it's also right that we debate on something, but when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal.